Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm doing a review of this air purifier and cooling fan. It's from Dyson Pure Cool, and they have a remote control that comes with it. It has magnetic docking, so you can stick it to the top of the fan. This is what the fan looks like on the outside of the box. And if you go all the way to the very bottom, you could see that there's a base, and that's the air purifying component of this fan. If you zoom in a little bit, there's a message that says that this cleaning component, this air cleaner complies with the ARB certification. On the other side of the box, it mentions that it has 2-year warranty. It has support from Dyson experts, phone and online, 6 days a week. It uses genuine Dyson parts and labors. There's free shipping, and if you go down a little bit, there's also a handle on the box for convenience when you bring it to your car. On the back side of the box, there's some general information. This fan purifies all year round. It's a good purifying fan in the summer. There's also a built-in timer so you can time it for nighttime use when you sleep. It has smooth oscillation when it goes from left to right. The remote is magnetized so it can stick to the top of the fan. And it's also certified asthma and allergy friendly. The average home can be 5 times more polluted than the outside. These are some just general messages on the other side of the box. The fan removes allergens and pollutants from the air, and here's a list of all the different things that it removes. It also mentions that it uses glass HEPA filter media and also activated carbon fiber. On the top of the box, it mentions that it's certified asthma and allergy friendly, and it's ARB certified. And here's the other info about the size and the weight. This is after unboxing. This is how the fan looks like. This is how the air purifier looks like. And this is the instruction manual with the remote taped onto it. After assembly, this is how it looks like. Let's plug it in. I also found that there's a power button behind the bottom sticker. This is the power button, the oscillation, the airflow, and the timer. Let's press the power button. Now let's press the oscillation button. Now let's try lower the airflow. There's a display right above the power button on the fan. Now let's try out the timer. The timer goes from 15 minutes all the way up to 9 hours. Now let's turn it off. This fan does get a bit loud if you put it on maximum airflow, but it's an overall good fan. You do have to change the filter every so often, 6 months to about a year depending on how much you use it. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thumbs if you like this video, subs if you loved it. Thanks guys!